Hello, welcome to PCTV channels. You know my name already. My name is PC Obiora, and in this short video, actually, the environment changed, right? Yes, I went down to the eastern part of Nigeria, and now I'm in Anambra State precisely. And today, I want to talk to us about mistakes that African girls make. And number one mistake that African girls make, which I'm about to tell you now, is this. African girls believe that when a man says, I love you, that the man is about to pay your bride price. This is very, very bad and ugly. When a man says, I love you, it could be a compliment. And the man might be loving you with the love of Christ. You might not know. You don't know what the man has in mind. And when he says, I love you, you believe that he's about to pay your bride price, do your wedding, and then pay your dowry and carry you home. It is not like that. African girls' mistakes number 2 is this. An African girl can date 5 men, and at the end of the day, she'll find out that out of these 5 men, each and every one of them will be getting married, one after another, after another, after another, until the 5 of them has already got married, leaving the girl. Why? Because she thinks she's too wise. And those boys know that she's dating many people. It is better not to date at all than to date 5 guys. And at the end of the day, you got married to not even one of them. Is it not better to keep yourself and wait for someone who is about to marry you? Okay, there are many more mistakes of African girls, which I cannot mention. I just want to talk to us today because I will not be having the time to do many videos, and they did them this week. So I just want to post this one so that at least I can keep you guys entertained, or better still, keep you guys informed. And throughout this week, I don't know whether I'll be able to make more videos, but if I'm able to make videos and post, fine. But if I'm not able to make videos and post, please bear with me. I just want to attend to emergencies that came up in the eastern part of Nigeria, which is Anambra State. And this place is my hometown. I actually also want to show you something. I want to show you my small poultry farm. Look at it over there. Can you see something over there? There are about 2. Okay, there are 2 guinea fowls and one turkey over there. There were many of them, but actually most of them died. I lost some of them when there was bird flu this year. So I just want to see if I can build it up again. Thank you very much for staying with us, and have a blessed week. Bye-bye.